Hello everyone. I just checking the last settings, sounds and video resolution.
What we do here is go back.
Hamza, hello. It looks like you write some uppercase letters. Hello, welcome. Just checking the last settings of Rohit. Hello. Sure, I'm starting in a few minutes. I'm just checking the streaming settings of sounds and resolution. So I hope everything is okay right now. Everything seems okay right now, honestly. my settings and my music settings, and my resolution seems also enough, at least. Okay, let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. So tonight's first clash, and I just copied the link and pasted to chat. Beans, Asparex, welcome. Okay, Rohit and Hamza also joined. Okay, it's tonight's first question. We are 5 people. No man, okay. How can I find their the most their most common power of as a prime numbers, maybe divisors. Oh my goodness, how can I find this? How can I calculate this one? For 10, calculate like that. Maybe, I hope it will work. For every input here, so these are the maximum 10 numbers. Oops. Here they have 0 also. Okay, starting with 0, okay, less equal than 10 plus list of list numbers. Yeah, this should be better. Or current new list. If my current number met log x k module 1 0, I hope that.log has some two operators and current.add. Okay. After this iteration, list.add current. So, if these are the I don't know why this works. Let's play all these cases. Works at least. So I need to calculate the minimum of no, not the minimum of the maximum number of every item and their common of every list. Maximum value of that common in every list. Method log has this should work, but what value should I calculate here? Yeah, maximum number of each list actually. Common each list maybe. Or is it? Okay, after that, var results new list here, and for each var list in list that result is my list intersect. That's weird. Somehow intelligence won't work here. Result and also not right line. So at the end, result should be one element only. Result 0. Play all test cases. This is compared. What? File list eliminable. Play this one. Cannot simply convert type enumerable int to list int with line 37. Oh, intersect results, because that means I think I have to write to list. in a second, although I don't understand this question, honestly. What did I wrong here? So for all the list, I have to return the maximum. Yeah, I mean, or minimum. I should calculate their maximum numbers. So in here, list dot select I is L dot max, and get their minimum value. All get their all maximum values. Okay. It. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I can submit it. It's fun, not fun. Difficult, and it's kind of difficulty. Test case, ideal. Yeah, in somehow, for using logarithmic mathematical, I need to calculate. Mastro, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Somehow, I need to calculate the all from 0 to 10. I need to calculate all the logarithmic bases, which is if there's an integer, that means the number itself with when you take the module of by 1, it should return 0. But somehow it didn't work. I don't know. I mean, let's back to home. That was a weird question, I think. I don't know. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Theos, welcome. Oh, we are already 7 people. That's nice. Okay, we are now 7 people here. This key, that means that character is already my dictionary. So that one. This should work, I think. Let me play all these cases. Oops. Oops, I didn't write in. Write your x0 and xi play all test cases. What did I wrong here? Oh, I should also write on the console here. Yes, finally, probably solve this. Perfect. So I can submit it. CEO's Asphyrix Miracle is already solved. Basically, questions asking is about every character. You need to write that previous times, how many times it's seen in the previous of that character. It's fun. Difficulty is perfect. Test case either 0 levels. So that means you just need to count from character by character. You just need to count how many times did you see that character before, and to keep it also. I think this is the perfect way to solve to using some hash map or for .NET Technologies dictionary called, because you have to keep the character itself and how many times it's seen before. Why you don't work at Fang? Because I don't think I am smart enough for this kind of companies. At least so far, I never interviewed with them. I mean, I just applied a few job applications, but they never returned back. And I think I am not enough smart to work for Facebook, Amazon, Google, like this kind of, for Microsoft. I probably not enough. I don't have that much intelligence, I think. I don't know. Okay, Balrap, Snowman and Rahit is still clashing. Without a reference, getting interview from them is almost impossible. Maybe. I mean, I also don't know anyone to work with these Fang companies, so I don't have a reference at all. Oh, Talat also joined. Welcome, Talat. Did you ever consider to work at some defense industry company like Aselsan, etc.? No, I mean, I never consider, honestly. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. We have 4 minutes left right now.
Down to a subtree.
Okay, Talat has also solved. We have 3 minutes left. I think for this kind of questions, it is really nice to use some kind of hash map, or which is also called dictionary somehow, because you need to keep the track that how many characters have you seen for that character before, and I will explain the my solution as well after the clash finished. Kailovich, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, Rohit is also solved. Okay, clash is about to end right now. Yeah, I mean, let me explain my solution. Probably the other joiners are also solved in the same way. Oh, that's nice. Okay. First of all, in here, let me make it some kind of bigger. So I create a dictionary here, so to keep every character, every distinct character in the string, and how many times before I've seen it in that from that current position. That's why I write the console to the first character and edit the dictionary to that character as a count of 1. That means I already seen once before that my other indexes. So starting from 1 to less than x dot length. So I iterate every character. If the current character is already in my dictionary, I have to write that character with my the current dictionary values plus 1. If there is 2 times, if it's the dictionary 2 times before that character, that means I saw this character twice before, so I need to write 3 times from that character, and I increase the value of that character also in dictionary. If the current character doesn't contains any in dictionary, I write the current character to the console and add it to that dictionary as I already seen it once before. So for that one, and with that using dictionary site, it passed all the test cases, and I think it seems quite easy to understand at least. Yeah, you can check, and let's ask for x how to solve this. X times 1 plus starting from that to that current index, how many times it counts as an x. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice approach also. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Whoa! Ericto is raiding with a party with 98. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Ericto. Welcome, guys. Welcome all. Frighten the Sun, thanks for the follow. Proxy King, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Ericto, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Your raids. Thank you so much. Getito, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Easy Gaming, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. If you guys wanna join, and I will paste it to chat again. I saw you are streaming CGI game in 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, yeah, with fall challenge, I think, Ericto. Rashmit, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Simon, thanks for. Ankur Kayal, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, I will be streaming fall challenge, CodinGame fall challenge in between 12 and 23 November which will be starting 12 November, and it will be it continues with 11 days Ericto, and yeah, I will be streaming for bot programming probably for that challenge time, and I never done it before, but I will try first time. I will stream for 3 days too, but likely not every day. Oh, okay, that's nice. Anyway, good luck in Clash now. Have a nice stream. Thank you so much, Ericto. I mean, if you don't know Ericto, I mean, you already probably know him because he's one of the best competitive programmer, I think, in the world. He's one of really great. His YouTube channel with really good contents. I mean, check his YouTube channel as well. I mean, he also streams and he also creates incredible YouTube content about programming, about dynamic programming, about all kind of data structures, algorithms, all kind of programming concepts. Check his YouTube channel. I mean, check his Twitch channel as well. He usually streams about code forces and lead code questions. I mean, Silaskan, thanks for the follow. Drawdu, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream all. I mean, I really appreciate that, Ericto. Thanks you for the raid again. If you don't know me, my name is Soner Gönül and I'm a software developer from Turkey. I usually streams about CodinGame, CodinGame and Clash of Codes. If you don't know about what is CodinGame or what is Clash of Codes, Matrap, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. CodinGame is a website like programming questions website like Code Forces. If you watch Ericto, you probably know it already. And CodinGame has a different kind of questions. The Clash of Code means you can create a clash, which means like some kind of room, so everybody can join with that room and try to solve the same problem with 15 minutes. So as you can see here, there's a easy UI Clash of Code. We're solving tonight reverse mode. That means there is no explanation for the question. There is only inputs and outputs. For example, for this question, there is an 8 test cases which contains inputs and outputs, and you have to write proper code that handles all the test cases. As you can see here, there are a lot of programming languages that's supported by CodinGame, and you can choose whatever you want. It's completely up to you, by the way. Let's pass the link again to the chat so everybody can join. Oops, I accidentally clicked close this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I know this question before, I think, but I'm not sure if I remember correctly. By the way, guys, I mean, you probably from my viewers, if you don't know Ericto's channel, I mean, you should really check him out, and possibly for his YouTube channel. I mean, it has a lot of great contents about algorithms, about dynamic programming, about everything about related about programming. I mean, you should really check him YouTube channel as well. I really suggest that. He also streams about code forces and hard lead code problems. I mean, he's like a legend. So the first one is um, okay, I understand the first one. Or do I? Yeah, I understand the first one, but do you compete in Code Forces? No, I mean I have an account in Code Forces, but I don't have any compete in Code Forces. I mean I don't have too much practice, honestly. I am not like Ericto, for example. Ericto is a very high level. I am not that level, not even close, honestly. So what is the second one? Second one should be the common, yeah, the common A here, R here, A here, and E, no, H here. Is I am new for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's the first one. Okay, let's, for example, or var e less than if I is the I mean first plus plus. This is the first one, exactly. I think the second one should be the common character, but in a different index. Yeah, I mean, I should check here. Okay, create a second variable here. Else, I will say if P contains SI, oops, that means second plus plus. Yeah, that means in this else part, if it is not, that means they are not in the, at least they are not equal, but this current character contains the second string in any other index. So I increase I second plus plus. I think this should work. Let me try this first and second. Let's play all test cases. That is nice. That's nice. Oops, it didn't work for the test case 5. Why? Found 6. Oh, no. And I should write here and no, but if it's here, that means they are not in the same. Wait a second. Oops. I missed something here. What am I missing here? Invalid term? Oh no, that's not the case. Okay, I missed something here. What am I missing here? This is the same index with a character, but this one is 1, which is the different one. R is different index. I, which is the different index. P, all, except for the current one, but it doesn't check. For the other characters, I should calculate this. Except for the same indexes. That's not enough, I think. For example, should I count A here? I mean, P is here. A, R, A, P, H issued 5, but other they're only distinct characters, maybe. Maybe the only distinct characters. Maybe I have as a custom theme characters as a new list. And is not seen before. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I should not calculate here. And SI. So let's play this one. What? This case 5. R. Or different characters, maybe? I still don't understand what is the second one. So maybe, no, not like this. I don't know. can submit it. Oh, 62%. That's nice. Let's check EOS code, how to calculate it. Sum of A, B for mean pulse assaults. Maxine is also solved C in C++. Okay, the first one is the how many common characters at the same indexes, right? Yeah, that's the first one. Okay. Second one, if they are same at the same indexes, you continue for j in range n. If I is equal j, continue. If sj equal pj, continue. If si equal I still don't understand clearly what is the second parameter is for. Ricky Killer, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So oh, miracle. So can someone please explain what was the second parameter for exactly? I mean, S count A, S count B for AE. What is the Q for? The second number are common characters at different indices, but you didn't count multiple copies of the same car. The second number of common characters at different indices, but you didn't. Oops. I mean. AT80 to EATA4. Oh, okay. Common characters at different indices, but didn't count multiple copies of the same car. That means okay. F Gülseren, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, that's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Nibble Bites, hello. That's nice. We are already 8 people. The link is in the chat, by the way. You can still join with that link if you want. Bum, bum. Yes. Wow, this is the first time I think I am the first right now. That was an easy question, I think. So probably everyone can solve this. Iguni Toshi, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. That is nice. Okay, Heretica, Seals, Maxim, Asparagus, Saurex, also sold. There are only 4 people still clashing. NMP? Really? 0%? I mean, you probably could solve this. I mean, couldn't find, give up. Okay, you can check the other people's code, or for example, if you don't, if you wanna see how to solve this. Okay, YYTSI and Romantizer is still clashing. Yeah, I mean, we are at least, I mean, in programming we try to expand all the people's practices with this kind of streams, honestly. That's the thing I also enjoy streaming a lot for CodinGame streams. I mean, I really learn a lot of things, honestly, from you guys, and I will be happy if I can teach any of them, at least as small things. In 63 seconds I am still reading the description. There is no description in reverse mode, only there is inputs and outputs. Yeah, but I mean, this is probably the case of the practices. I mean, when you start to solve a lot of practices, your speed goes up. I mean, it's the matter of the practices, I think, for this kind of questions. Okay, a lot of people has already solved, so the question is all about the calculating the square of the first number and a multiple of the second number. This is all the question is all about, and there is no test cases that this calculation might be overflow at the end, so it passed all the test cases with when I'm writing like that. Okay, so let's back to home. Let's create a new one. Let's start a private clash. Let's start, and I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Okay, we are now 9 people joined. I really like this kind of music, lo-fi hip-hop radio. Kind of relaxing and making more concentrate to what you try to do, honestly. Okay, we are now 10 people here, 11 people here. Yep, that's nice. Oops, HLTK and Asparex. I think you missed the questions. Missed the question, somewhat different. That's the curious case of submitting too early, I think, without running any test cases. I am sure you didn't even run the all test cases. It's fun, it's difficult, easy, test case relevancy, ideal. Let me check. I'm curious. Yeah, that's not the case. And probably Heretica is also. Yeah, I mean, the speed kills you on that case. What's your favorite language? I don't have a specific favorite language, honestly, but I am familiar with C# in my job. I work on C#, and in here I use C# for the old clashes. So it's the most familiar language that I daily use. But I mean, I don't have a favorite language, honestly. But for CodinGame or maybe other stuffs, I need to learn some, maybe some Ruby, maybe Python. I need to learn. There's only one. Rene, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. To make golf? No, I mean, for a general usage, maybe I try to learn Python, for example. And Ruby has a lot of programming-friendly functionalities. I really like him when I see people in the chat or in the clash. So I am really curious about it. Okay, the question was really easy. Probably Heretica and Asparex also try to solve as much as fast as they have, and they missed the questions, looks like. So everybody can perfectly solve the question already. All contests in history have been won by C++ users. Oh, might be. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start private clash and let's start a new one. So I just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with that link in the chat. Wait a second, Remy doesn't post right now. The bug seems return. I don't know why, but I mean, Remy sometimes test our link to Discord channel, but sometimes don't. I mean, I don't know, maybe it has some bug, or I don't know what's going on exactly. Probably Terazoid know the best. If he's in the chat right now, no, not. He's in the we are now 14 people right now. Um, no, why would I do that? I don't need that one. Result. Results plus equal. What is the most in a clash? What does that mean, C-boy? I don't understand your question. All that right. Okay, let's play all test cases. Yes, that's fine. So I can submit it. It's kind of fun. Difficulty it's easy, so test game. Go. Curious Drive, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, a lot of people already solved this. Nimp, I think he tried to solve in a very fast way, but he passed only a few test cases in 20 seconds. That's nice. Maxim was also solved. There are no 4 people left only. Hakan, hello. Welcome. Cyrus 75%. I don't know why. Let's check his code. Oh no, that's not the case here. If you check the other solutions, that's not the case. Enes, welcome. Size, for example, you can check COs or LTK codes as well. They sold in a 100 score. Link please, sure. Let me copy the link. Where is the link? Yeah, I found it. Put the link and paste it to chat. Look at the romanizers code. Okay, where is the romanizers? What? Wow. Wow. That's nice, I mean. I am curious how many times did he actually but this is the only once you can press the submit button. I mean, you can play as much as you can play as much as all the test cases, but wow, that's nice. Alice, welcome. How are you? That should be disqualified. Yeah, I mean, wow, it works, huh? Wow. Okay, there are still 5 people clashing. But how many test cases? How many are there test cases in the question? Is the 6? It is the 4, maybe? I don't know. Was the 6? Might be the 4 test cases as well. I don't remember honestly. But that's really, I mean, that's just a pure luck, I guess. For someone to get 37, you would have to be at least test cases, yeah. So he had a 1 to 2 power of 8 chance to get that 100%. Zappa, welcome. Oh, I mean, wow. Because the main thing, I think you can only submit once. So you can check whatever time you want in for play all test cases, but I mean, I know sooner or later a random solution will get work. Maybe he's trying to get some fastest match. Yeah, it might be. I mean, it's not the fastest match. It is solved by 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, that's nice. There are still 5 people clashing. Only 3 minutes left, by the way. That was amazing. Yeah, I mean, wow. I am impressed. Wow. I mean, that was weird. Okay, NS sold in 25%. So there are only 4 people. It's still clashing. C-Boy 63%. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. C-Boy, you already have a link. I mean, you already submitted. What link you are looking for exactly? I didn't create a new one, since there are still people clashing here. There's only 1 minute left, right? June has 25. So I just tried to show it another stream. It gave the... Yeah, I mean, in Zappa, you can get, but you... I didn't create a new one. This is still continuous. The previously clashing, which you already submitted here. You already joined. Okay, Limok also joined. I was studying C#, then I quit to go Dart. Have you ever used link queries on CodinGame or at work? Sure, I mean, I use link or probably every day. I use here, I use in my day job as well. I mean, link is such a nice feature for .NET framework, for a query language. I mean, link is just a great thing to use, in my opinion. Okay, clash is ending right now. So the question, I think, is all about to calculate all the right, left, and back, forward, and up, down characters count are the same for the complete result string. If they are, it is solvable, then it's not. If it's not, and it is unsolvable question. Seems like a powerful weapon. Exactly. I mean, link is such a nice feature for .NET related languages, but it's hard to master. Exactly, because you can use for a lot of things for link. For example, when you try to use for different kind of For example, XML, for example, generics in generics, and you can use a lot of things for link actually. I am smokeless now as I am pretty much addicted to this game of coding. Oh, that's great. So you complicated the heck out of it. Complicated the heck out of it, but it worked. Really? I mean, I complicated? But how can I be the less complicated than count all the characters? You just need to check that each letter occurred exactly 9 times. Oh, really? Oh, I thought the question was oh, 9 times. Yeah, I remember this question before. Oh, you're right. I remember now. When you say 9 times, I remember that this way. Yeah, 9 times. Yeah, I mean, I remember that one. You're right. But this one also works, but yeah, I remember when you say 9 times. Okay, let's back to home and let's create a new one. Let's start a new one, and I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. You're right, 9 times. Oh, I remember. Um. Okay, we are now already 14 people in right now. Sixteen people, wow. space separated. So let's play all test cases. Oh, that's not plus plus. Plus equal to. Yeah, I can submit it. Alice in 41 seconds? I mean, isn't it too much for you? I thought it would be less than 20 seconds for you. Rohit, hello. In C program, how to get the float value when dividing by 2? Maybe you need to. I mean, you need to have some floating point division rather than integer division. You didn't need to store them in list int. You could just print them right here, right there, right. But the case is here. I think you are assuming this one, but I need to know that current element to calculate the average with the previous element. But of course, I can do it without using a list. For example, I have two variables, which is the previous one and the next one, previous one and the current one. So I would define these variables instead of creating a list. I mean, it's an option also. But in here, if you say in here, I have to know the previous one and the current value as well, so I have to calculate their average. I like this question. Difficulty is perfect and test case to the level C. Submit. So a lot of people already solved it in a perfect way. Float f int a 5 int b 3 float a divide by 3. Yeah, I mean, for example, for most of the languages, I think when you divide two integers, it returns as an integer, which is the basics of the integer division. If you wanna get, I mean, floating point division, you need to at least one of the them use as a floating point value. Oops, what's going on in the chat? In C program. Sanderke, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, guys, I am giving 1 minute break. I will be back. Okay, I'm back right now. Okay, only 3 minutes left. A lot of people already solved this. YYTSI 8%. Maybe the odd length calculations, maybe. I had an equal 1 case wrongs. Oh, okay, now I see. Okay, there are only 4 people left. Still clashing. All the values in the most languages are taken directly from C. Exactly. Runner Dev and Rohit C-Boy and Toski Turing Machine. Wow, it's level 33. Wow. There are some differences. For example, B I don't think exists in C. Oh, G worked. Oh, that's nice. I mean, what is such a nice community we created here. I mean, wow. Don't expect to finish. I'm quitting this game. Giving up. Okay, you can submit it. I mean, I stumbled to see how test 2 worked. Oh, it's 2 a.m. in India. Oh, that's nice. Okay, the clash is completed. Okay, I solved this in that way, honestly. I touched Thai Pigeon. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. First of all, I add all the numbers in a list. So I create a result list. So every 2 pair of numbers, and I will take the average of them. So I will create start from 0 to list count -1, and I increase the I with 2. That means I will take the current element and I will take the next element, and divide by 2 with an average. So after all of the calculations with 2 pairs in the list, if the original list is an odd number, that means with that one I didn't take the last element. So that if it is odd length, I will take the last element and divide by 2. So in the results list, I will write in the console as a space separated as a string all the elements. So it passed all the test cases. I mean, this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and it seems as simpler to me. I mean, if you don't, if your language supports another some kind of functionalities, you can use them, of course. But this is the first things to comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases. Okay, then let's create a new one. Let's back to home and start private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with the link in the chat if you want. Andrea Manitra, welcome. This is the first time I see you here. Ice Cuber, welcome. This is the first time I see you here also. Mumi Jamala, oh hello, welcome. Deja Vu, hello, let me paste the link again. Theos Asparex is also joined. Where's AKK? I don't know, honestly. um, so after I all of them, um, so first of all, so I have to iterate this. If it is not, Plus G, maybe. Array. And after this for loop, pull that right line. Okay, result. I'm not sure this will work, but let's try this one. Can you show test 3? Sure. What is test 3 here? Which is V1 and A. It writes only all here. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, +1 maybe. For this one, n is 4. 3 minus maybe. Oops. I write it backward. It's JI, that means probably. Yeah, the annoying edge cases. What do you mean? Is this worked for the others? Oh yeah, it's worked test 4 and it's past test 5. 2 or 3 fails. Why it didn't work for the test 2? What am I doing wrong? Maybe there's a somewhat calculation in here wrong. Maybe I just thought these test cases also passed. What is the special case for test 2 and test 3? In test 2, I write as a one character as a second. Only there's a question mark? Really? What? Why there's a question mark in my... What? I don't get it. Your odd length inputs are failing, must have to do with it. creates the first one is perfectly fine, but the second one, and starting with nj plus 1. Oh my goodness, I'm the only one who left. I also see voice clashing. Oh. What am I doing wrong here? Why is deep? Thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Wow, I don't even see. Where am I doing wrong here? I probably do something very easily, but Soul Jake 74, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Is this calculation not right for the auto test cases? Why? A plus J is equal n minus 1, which are these diagonals. Return result G. I mean, I don't know, I'm probably doing something really stupid mistake, like I can even see here. Should I write here? I don't know. I think result and yeah, I mean, this is that comes to my mind also. I mean, let's try this one. Okay, let's play a gamble. My current code. Oops, 0%. At least with J, it passed 3 test cases. Dios. I mean, where am I my code wrong exactly? Is anyone solving C# or no? You are overcomplicating, yeah, probably. Yeah, I mean, just need to create 2 variables, and for every line I add the first one, the first character, and the second one, the last character, and then increase by 1. Yeah, that was so simple. exactly. I mean, this is a very simple test cases. Okay, that's nice. I mean, at least I see my problem. I over complicated thinking about. Okay, and let's create a new one. Let's back to home, start private clash, and let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join the link in the chat. Your mistake is else if, since for odd and there is a middle character that should go in both. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Probably that was my mistake. But even as you can see, the solution I just show. I don't even need to do that. So I have to create for every line. I should take the first and last characters and increase in the first one and decrease in the last one. That's nice. That was so simple to solve, at least. Link, sure, I will paste the link again in the chat. We are now 13 people. You're welcome, you're welcome. This bot here is something Twitch provides or some integration time. This bot here, which bot you are talking about? I mean, I didn't get it. Which bot? Yeah, I manually write in the chat. For example, I should create a moveboot command maybe for the exclamation dot exclamation link, and then for every clash I create, I submit it as a link to that clash. Maybe I will create that command also, so people can join exclamation mark and link to chat, so they can easily get the link from moveboot. I don't know. I will check him later. I will check this one. Check this feature later. Oh, I'm factorial solution passed. Oh. So let's try this one. I calculate var. Link, sure, I will pass the link to chat. All juicy, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I calculate the start string. I get the start string actually. Result in string. Result. Find the current one, so let's remove part here. List var as starts with results length here -1 character first. So I will get the current elements and I should add my result, that current element substring 1, which doesn't take the first character since it came from already itself. So after adding that one, I think I should delete the list remove current element in that list. And console that, but it won't probably work, but let me try it. Result. Okay, let's play all test cases. Oops. It passed the first test cases, but doesn't work the line 25. The queues contains no elements. Really? Dot itself, it starts with let me check other test case. Oops, there's a 30. I think there's a too much complicated. Link is too complex for me, even though loops are longer, easier to understand. Yeah, sometimes it might be complicated, but sometimes even are easy to understand maybe. I'm not even sure where do I wrong here. Okay, so I can submit it. Only pass the first test case. Yeah, I mean it's fun. I like it. Difficulty kind of hard maybe. And test case level C ideal. So let's check. Guitar tools again. Use it here with all the permutations. Okay, let's check non-Python solutions. Maybe in Ruby. Run out of the clock. Yeah. Okay, pins. Matthew solved in Java. Let's check his code. So create a new string here. Try start with A. Sinirli Civciv, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So it's always start with A. Oh, I didn't get this one. I never thought it's always start with A. Oh, right. It's all the test cases as an output start with A. Oh, that sucks. And then when the there's a that string's last character is the other string's first character and substring 1. Yeah, I mean, I never thought that all the output test cases start with A. Yeah, the first Python solution didn't assume this exactly. I mean, wow, I never thought that honestly. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. I mean, there are a lot of people solve this probably in this way. I mean, it's quite nice, I think. And even my code passed the one test cases. Yeah, one test case. Of course. Here's Noodle. Thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, guys. Let's call it night. I mean, I hope you enjoyed enough. I mean, I have also enough enjoyed, and since today's my this was my today's second stream, it's quite tiring because my first stream was also almost 3 hours. Now this is the 3 hours also, and I should let me check my social accounts to the chat. If you wanna follow on Twitter and YouTube as well, I will create some programming related content in my YouTube channel also, for example, like lead code questions also, and also other stuff as well. And if you want to support my channel, you can always subscribe my channel as well. I mean, it means a lot to me, honestly. And CEOs, Ice Cuber, Maxim, Heleteka, and Andrea Maitra, Pins, Matthew, Grateful Tomato, YYTC, and Asfarex, June, Rohit, Alexi, Viatsel, Seaboy. Thanks to all. I mean, thank you for joining us tonight again with me. And I will rate Vape Juice Jordan, which seems creating a building an OnlyFans competitor. Looks like with Next.js server-side rendering and creating some OnlyFans clone or something. Thank you so much for all joining us tonight. I mean, thank you so much. And tomorrow I will be probably at the same time night. It's the probably 8 or 9 p.m. Turkish local time, which is UTC +3. And if you wanna check when there are notifications, if you want, I mean, you can you can check the bell from the chat. And thank you all. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
It's not that crazy. It's really not that crazy. Honestly, half of what Next does, I could just do. There is some stuff that's neat. The Next Image stuff is really neat because Next Image does this fucking like auto